Okay, let's dive right into this. I want you to just close your eyes for a second. Imagine peering into the cosmos and finally, decoding the grand unified theory that has literally eluded our greatest minds for centuries. But, well, there's a twist. The one making this grand discovery isn't a human scientist frantically scribbling equations on a chalkboard. Nope, it's a machine. So what if an AI didn't just learn our current science, but actually went ahead and invented brand new laws of physics? Today in this explainer, we are going to unpack exactly what this futuristic sci-fi scenario would really look like and how it could fundamentally rewrite our entire reality. All right, let's start with Section 1, the rules of our universe. We all know the laws of physics, right? They're basically the foundational rules that dictate exactly how the universe operates. Think of them as the immutable constraints governing how everything, energy, matter, space, and time, interacts with each other. For centuries, it's been human observation defining these rules. From, Newton's gravity keeping our feet planted firmly on the ground to the classical mechanics governing everyday motion. And we fought really hard to calculate these forces. But our human senses are naturally pretty limited to the macroscopic world around us. Let's move to Section 2 and see how this builds. AI as the new architect. So here is the basic blueprint for how an AI actually pulls this off. Step 1, it ingests massive, oceans of data. Step 2, it sifts through all that noise to find completely invisible patterns. It's actually a lot like what AI has already done with complex protein folding, but we're talking on a cosmic scale here. And finally, Step 3, it translates those hidden patterns into entirely new scientific theories. And this brilliantly illustrates a truly fascinating dynamic. On one side, you have human creativity and intuition, that special spark that lets us dream up wild hypotheses. But on the other side, machine analysis, tireless, totally boundless data processing. It really makes you wonder, in the realm of pure theoretical research, could a machine's sheer ability to just crunch raw numbers actually outpace human imagination? Which brings us to Section 3, a radically transformed world. Imagine if an AI just casually handed us a brand new law of physics. The immediate impact would be absolutely electric. Labs all over the globe would rush to launch new experiments just to verify the machine's math. Naturally, the scientific community would be swept up in this intense wave of excitement, alongside, of course, a healthy dose of skepticism. And honestly, probably a few bruised egos too. If these discoveries were validated, we'd see some insanely rapid technological leaps. And we aren't just talking about your standard iterative updates here. We are talking about quantum-level computing, harnessing entirely new zero-point energy sources, and building propulsion systems that literally pull advanced space travel right out of science fiction and into our reality. But this matters on a really granular level for us too. A new law of physics eventually trickles down to the grid powering your very home. We're talking cheaper, radically cleaner energy. It could completely redefine that smart technology sitting in your pocket right now. Moving on to Section 4, risks, rewards, and reality. So the crucial point is that whenever we face a technological leap this massive, we have to look objectively at the balance here. The rewards, they're undeniable. Faster scientific progress, exciting new tech, and a much deeper understanding of the universe. But the risks are equally real. Like, what if we completely misunderstand the AI's complex math and accidentally unleash some genuinely dangerous technologies? Or even worse, what if we develop this blind dependence on the machine and basically end up outsourcing our critical thinking entirely? Finally, let's look at Section 5, the ultimate cosmic partnership. Because honestly, the most compelling outcome of all this isn't some human versus machine scenario. It's what we can achieve by actually joining forces. Together, we could probe the absolute farthest edges of our ignorance. We could be uncovering hidden properties of matter and time, solving age-old mysteries of the universe, discovering entirely new dimensions, or, get this, finally understanding the true mechanics behind dark matter and dark energy. Now, what's really interesting about this is the profound paradigm shift it represents. The future of science may very well be a true partnership between humans and AI. It completely reframes the machine from being a potential sci-fi threat into an invaluable collaborator. It becomes, quite literally, the greatest scientific tool we have ever built. Which leaves us with this final, kind of mind-bending thought to ponder. As we stand on the precipice of these vast possibilities, Are we truly ready to co-author the universe's most profound secrets with artificial intelligence? It is an absolutely incredible frontier, and it's for sure one we're going to be watching very closely.